Top 10 Elegant Dancing Birds of the World. 1. The Laysan albatross. The Laysan albatross is a large seabird that ranges across the North Pacific. The northwestern Hawaiian island are home to 99.7% of the population. This small-like albatross is the second most common seabird in the Hawaiian island, with an estimated population of 1.18 million birds, and is currently expanding its range to new islands. 2. The red-capped manakin. The red-capped manakin is a species of bird in the family Pipriidae. It is found in Belize, Colombia, Costa Rica, Ecuador, Guatemala, Honduras, Mexico, Nicaragua, Peru, and Panama. Its natural habitat is subtropical or tropical moist lowland forest. The bird is probably best known for the male's unusual courting method, whereby he shuffles rapidly backwards across a branch, akin to a speedy moonwalk. 3. The magnificent rifle bird. The magnificent rifle bird is a species of passerine birds in the birds of paradise family. Magnificent birds are widely distributed throughout lowland rainforest of western New Guinea and the northern Cape York Peninsula of Australia. A relatively common species throughout its range, it is evaluated as a species of least concern on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. 4. Costus hummingbirds. The Costus hummingbirds are small and compact with a hunched posture. Their short tail barely meets their short wings when perched. The male's gorget flares out along the side of the neck like an overgrown mustache. Adult male Costus is hummingbird have an iridescent purple crown and a gorget, a green bag and a green vest. Females and immatures have a greenish above with a white eyebrows stripe and a whitish underparts. The Poster's hummingbird occur in desert scrub in the Sonoran and Mojave Desert and chaparral and sage scrub areas in coastal California. During the non-breeding season they use similar dry habitats as well as parks, gardens and higher elevation mountain. 5. Blue-footed booby. The blue-footed booby is a marine bird native to subtropical regions of the eastern Pacific Ocean. It is one of 6 species of the genus Sula known as boobies. It is easily recognizable by its distinctive bright blue, which is a sexually selected trait on a product of their diet. Males display their feet in an elaborate mating ritual by lifting them up and down while strutting before the female. The female is slightly larger than the male and can measure up to 90 centimeters, which is 35 inches long, with a wingspan of 1.5 meters, which is 5, featuring the natural breeding habits of the blue-footed booby at tropical and subtropical islands of the Pacific Ocean. It can be found from the Gulf of California south along the western coast of Central and South America to Peru. About half of all breeding pairs left on the Galapagos Island. Its diet mainly consists of fish, which is obtained by diving and sometimes swimming underwater to search of its prey. It sometimes hunts alone but usually hunts in group. 6. The Clark's grebe. The Clark's grebe is a North American water bird species in the grebes family. Until the 1980s, it was thought to be a pale morph of the western grebe, which resembles in size, range and behavior. Intermediate between these two species unknown. The species nest on large inland lakes in western North America and migrates to the Pacific coast over the winter. It maintains local populations year-round in California, Nevada and Arizona, as well as in central Mexico by diving for insects, polychaete, crustaceans and salamander. It performs the same elaborate courtship displayed as the western grebe. 7. Sandhill crane. The sandhill crane is a species of large crane of North American and extreme northeastern Siberia. The common name of the bird refers to habitats like that at the Platte River on the edge of Nebraska's Sandhill on the American Great Plains. Sandhill crane are known to hang out at edge of bodies of water, especially the central Florida region. The Center Platte River Valley in Nebraska is the most important stopover area of the nominotypical subspecies, the lesser sandhill crane, with up to 450,000 birds migrating annually. 8. Jackson's widow bird. The Jackson's widow bird is a species of bird in the family Placidae. It is found in Kenya and Tanzania. Its natural habitat are subtropical or tropical high-altitude grassland and arable land. It is threatened by habitat loss. 9. Sharp-tailed grouse. The sharp-tailed grouse, also known as the sharp-tail or fire grouse, using medium-sized prairie grouse. One of the 3 species in genus Tympanuchus, the sharp-tailed grouse is found throughout Alaska, much of northern and western Canada and part of the western and midwestern United States. This sharp-tailed bird is the provincial bird of the Canadian province of Saskatchewan. Greater sage grouse. The greater sagebirds, also known as a sagchen, is the largest grouse, a type of bird in North America. Its ranges in Sagebrush County in the western United States and southern Alberta and Saskatchewan, Canada. It was also known as simply the sage grouse until the Gunnison sage-grouse was recognized as a separate species in 2000. The monopopulation of sage grouse may also be distinct. The greatest sage grouse is a permanent resident in its breeding ground but may move short distances to lower elevation during winter. It makes use of complex systems in mating and nests on the ground under sagebrush or grass patches. It forages on the ground, mainly sagebrush but also other plants and insects. Grouse do not have a muscular crop and is not able to digest hard seed like other grouse. Its species is in decline across its range due to habitat loss and has been recognized as threatened or near threatened by several national and international organizations.